In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot common issues with your Microsoft applications. We all know how frustrating it can be when something goes wrong while you're in the middle of an important task, but don't worry, by following these steps, you'll be back on track in no time. First things first, it's crucial to identify the error message or the behavior that you're encountering. Pay close attention to any pop-up messages or unusual activity. Is it an error code you're seeing? Maybe the app is freezing or refusing to open altogether. Noting these details is your first step toward finding a resolution, as it can narrow down the exact nature of the problem. Once you've identified the problem, a simple yet effective solution is to restart the app or device. You might be surprised how often this can resolve issues. Close the application completely, and then reopen it to see if the problem persists. If the app is still acting up, try restarting your entire device. A fresh start can clear temporary bugs or glitches that might be causing the trouble. If restarting doesn't do the trick, the next step is to check for updates. Software updates often include fixes for bugs and other issues that could be affecting the app's performance. Ensure your app is up to date by visiting the Microsoft Store or the app's official site for any available updates. Similarly, you might want to check if your device's operating system needs an update, as this could also impact the app's functionality. Still encountering problems? It may be time to clear the cache and cookies. These data files are stored by applications and websites to speed up processes, but over time they can become cluttered or corrupted, causing issues. Head to your device's settings or the browser's options, locate the cache and cookies, and proceed to clear them. Just keep in mind that doing so might log you out of some websites, so make sure you know your login details beforehand. Reviewing permissions is another key step. Sometimes the app might not function correctly if it doesn't have the necessary permissions. Check your device's settings to ensure that the app has access to what it needs, such as storage, camera, or location services. Adjust these settings if necessary to see if it resolves the problem. If, after all these steps, the issue remains unresolved, it's time to consult Microsoft support. They have a wealth of resources and a dedicated support team to help you dive deeper into the issue. You can access support through their website, where they offer live chat options, community forums, and direct customer assistance. By following these strategies, you'll equip yourself with the knowledge to handle various app issues with confidence.